Next thing, cucumbers. Take the flowers off, knock off the outside. Take these, about inch chunks, nice thick chunks. You can do this in a variety of different ways as far as, so we're gonna bruise them. I like to bruise them in a gallon plastic bag because it's really easy and really clean. And we can even season in here too, so it makes it easy. Right, so you got your chunky cucumbers, you got your problem solver, and you just beat it up. You wanna bruise them, you wanna break them, not too much, you don't want them to be mush, but you wanna break the cell walls so that the marinade takes really quick. Little sesame oil, little salt. So we got a little tamari in there, full splash. Just a tiny little bit of fish sauce. Don't be afraid of it, you just have to use a little bit instead of a lot of it. Then some sesame oil. And from there, let's give it a shake. And a taste. That's pretty good. That's it. I mean, you can do toasted sesame on this. You can do green onions on this. You chives, whatever you want, but this is the base.